Good morning. Uh, when our A.B. Shah, Chief Justice of Tamil Nadu, transferred to New Delhi, he only introduced a concept that the drunkard driver is a human bomb, because the drunken driving costs lives. That apart, what all are the impact of this drunken driving and so many things, a fantastic doctrinal judgment was delivered. Those who are pursuing postgraduates, ML students, research scholar must go through the judgment, because the judgment contains so many scientific facts and foreign judgments about and history of Motor Vehicle Act, so many things. The concept was accidentally burden of proof. Question whether driver was under influence of alcohol. Facts about nature, quantity and place of consumption would be within special knowledge of person who has consumed alcohol. It would be disproportionately difficult for the insurer to prove whether driver was empty stomach or not, which would be relevant to consider to whether driver drove vehicle under the influence of alcohol. So the consumer protection award was set aside. See, they say they have discussed about 279. I am reading relevant portions so that you can go through the judgment. A case of Scotland. A case of Scotland was discussed, Kennedy versus Smith, where they say the liability if the driver was under the influence of intoxicating liquor, Lord President, whom other two agreed observed as follows. Therefore, they say, insurer relied upon exception in the policy which entirely excludes liability if the driver was under the influence of liquor. Then, Supreme Court of North Carolina versus Imperial Life Insurance Company, that judgment also discussed. That apart, so many other foreign, Alabama, other foreign judgments were discussed. You go through that. But my endeavor was that the UK Road Transport Traffic Act 1930 and later enactments which deals with drunken driver. Then you kindly see, originally it was Road Traffic Act 1960, repealed repealed Act 1930. That was a Road Traffic Act which penalized driving by drink or drugs. Then one more aspect I would like to discuss. The Modi medical jurisprudence about a scientific aspect of alcohol was discussed. Then they say the research finding was also discussed about this alcohol drinking. Then they say, how does alcohol act at the neurological level? Finally, they have given judgment. Then res ipsa liquita was discussed against the drunkard drivers. Then they have also tabular how much of percentage causes what effect over the man who consumed alcohol. That is also important. You can keep it on your file, the judgment, at least for that purpose. You see, in a manual for physician in National Drug Dependence Treatment Center, All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi, they have stated that to 80 mg and DL, euphoria, feeling of relaxation and talking freely, clumsy movement of hands and legs, reduce alertness but believes himself to be alert. Again 80, noisy, moody, impaired judgment, impaired driving ability. 100 to 200, electroencephalographic changes begin to appear, blurred vision, unsteady gait, gross motor incoordination, slurred speech, aggressive, quarrelsome, talking loudly. 200 to 300, amnesia for the experience, blackout. 300 to 350, coma. 300 and plus may cause contribute death. These all are the aspects they have discussed. Kindly go through this judgment. You can write article on that. That apart, one of my friend asked that an advocate, a young advocate, prevent having some grudge against his senior advocate, preventing other advocates to approach the senior advocate, stating that you have 20 years of experience, why you are approaching seniors, you can do it. This is somewhat unethical. Other thing was, she also prevented clerks appointed by that particular advocate, threatening her not to work there. What to do, what not. This is such tantamount to 7(1)(a) of Criminal Law Amendment Act. But what we could, after all, he is also an advocate. Okay, best wishes.